Hello everyone, this is Joel over at Just Document Preparation, and today I want to talk about another reason to avoid probate court. So we've done a couple segments, some articles, some videos about avoiding probate and some of the nightmares of probate court. But recently we have a brand new reason to avoid the probate process. So the courts have seen a recent influx of cases. Baby boomers are aging, conservatorships, probate cases are on the rise. The court was not equipped for this sudden boost in case volume, and they are getting extremely backed up. An example that we've seen recently in San Bernardino County is at the end of the probate process, you would request a final hearing to distribute assets after everything on the case has been processed according to the court requirements. The court would typically schedule those cases 30 to 40 days later. Recently, we've seen a lot of our cases are getting scheduled 100 plus days later for the same exact hearing, just because the court backlog is so large now. So what would take a month to get your final order in your probate case is now taking 3 months plus. We're starting to see this in other courts as well. Orange County Court, we're seeing similar. We had done a final petition and it was scheduled almost 5 months out. So these are getting longer. This is another reason to avoid probate, because now instead of hopefully trying to finish in maybe 7-8 months, which was the soonest that you could be looking at, closer to a year or longer. If the court doesn't address this with either staffing or recalendering, the problem could get worse. And if they are going to address it with either staffing or calendaring, keep in mind, hiring, training, there may not be a quick solution to remedy this time increase. So if you've been thinking about a living trust and you've been thinking about getting your estate planning in order, there's another reason to maybe do so is to avoid that court process, which is now quite a bit longer. If you have any questions about preparing living trust, or if you're in a probate case and you're trying to work through to the end, we can help in both of those situations. Since 1996, we've done living trusts and living trust amendments, as well as help people facilitate and get them through the probate process in the Superior Court. Have any questions? Go ahead and reach out. We'll be happy to help and get you where you need to go in terms of document preparation, questions, resources that we can provide to you. Thank you.